People that tell you credit is bad are lying to you. People that don't have financial literacy don't understand the power of credit and how to use it properly. There's a difference between good debt and bad debt that most people don't understand. An example would be whenever I invested $5,000 into heated blankets for Amazon FBA and then sold it for $10,000, making a $5,000 net profit. There is business credit cards from American Express and Chase that will reward you for spending money in your business. These credit card companies will reward you for spending with them because they help you scale your business. For example, you can get business credit cards with American Express and Chase that have 0% interest APR for the first 12 months. And if you invest a certain amount into your business using the card, they will give you a huge points bonus that you can use to pay off the card or pay for flights and hotels. American Express is easily the GOAT whenever it comes to credit cards and banking. Both their customer service and their product is extremely high quality. It's important to remember that in business, you have to have a high quality customer service and products to make sure that your clients stay with you long term. One of my focuses is making a very strong relationship with American Express. For example, now I have 9 American Express credit cards from the time I'm making this video. They don't teach you about credit in school, and it's a shame. My name is Leon Vartanian. If you like that content, like and follow for more just like this.